How to create highlights on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create highlights on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Instagram is currently updated. So as you can see right here, it says open. That means that my Instagram application is currently updated. However, if that says update or if it shows any update button from the Instagram page on your App Store or Play Store, just tap on that because that means that your Instagram is currently outdated, and updating it will ensure that you will have the latest features, especially the feature of being able to create highlights within the app. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is up to date, just head on and open Instagram right here. And to create highlights, we need to be at our profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner over here. And you should be at your profile page. After that, let's just click on this plus icon at the top right corner part of the page. And you should see the option that says Story Highlight right below the Story option. Just tap on Story Highlight. And once you tap that, you should see your stories as well as your stories that you have posted from the past. So your archive stories. So this is a story that I posted before, and this is the story that I posted recently. So you can just tap on a specific story depending on which ones you want to add to your highlight on your profile. So for example, I'm going to add these two stories of mine, and once you have selected them, just click on next right here, and you can just name your highlights. I'm just going to name it dogs, and you can also edit the cover like that, and you can also zoom in or zoom out according to your preference. Just click on done once you have set that up, and click on add when you are done with everything. And once that has been done, you should see your highlights right on this part of your profile. So that is how you can basically create highlights on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.